Hey, what's up, guys? Back with another video. Cameron here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Happy Saturday, guys. I'm out here hanging out. Been rolling since this morning. But you know your boy's coming back again with another video talking about this great opportunity, Cash Building Systems Unlimited, and how you can build your program. Well, I'm out here hanging out in a shopping center in Walmart parking lot. My son is at the barbershop right now getting his hair cut. But I just got my drop cards in the mail. Another thing I want to use to build my business opportunity. Mailing out postcards and drop cards. Now, drop cards are simple, easy, duplicatable. So I got the pack right here, guys. I'm getting ready to open it up. Show you exactly. It got delivered today. So I just want to check it out. As you can see, getting ready to open this up to see exactly what they look like. And then if I like them, I'll go ahead and order like 1,000 of them. They were shipped today. I'm excited. Now, drop cards. Oh, yeah. Look at these right there. Woo! Now, these are $100 bill drop cards. Okay? Wow. All right. So now these can be used to market any type of business opportunity that you are in. So it looks like real money. So what you would do, if you're out shopping, if you're hanging out, if you're at a football game, basketball game, wherever you are, guys, you can fold these, drop them, and people would think that it's real money, and they would pick it up and open it up, and then that's going to lead them to the website. So let me take one of them out. Let's check it out. All right, so this is what the front of the drop card looks like right here. It's a $100 bill. All right, and then on the back of it, all right, this is what the back of the drop card looks like right there. And it's got my, it's got the website on there. It's got the 1-800 number on there. It's got my ID number on there. So when people pick this up, guys, guess what? It's going to direct them exactly to my Cash Building System website. Well, the website that I'm using the generic website that the business using. So that way, if you're not tech savvy, guys, you don't have to create a website. Just use everything that the business is giving you to use. So I just wanted to make a video today, guys. I'm excited. It looked like a real $100 bill, and it shows you exactly where you can fold it at right there. All right. Now that looks real right there. So once you fold it in half, that looks like a real $100 bill. Now, places that you can go and drop this off, guys, places that you know there are a lot of traffic, like Walmart. Okay, Walmart is open. Some Walmarts are open 24 hours. Okay, so if you go in your local Walmart, just walk around, drop them here and there, guys. Somebody's going to pick them up, and that's going to direct them exactly to your website. All right, so these got delivered today. I just mailed out my 400 postcards. So I got to order some more postcards. Guys, I'm excited about this business opportunity. If you have not seen the power of what you can do with Cash Building Systems Unlimited and receiving checks in your mailbox money, guys, you are missing it out for 2023. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the year of 2023. I'm building this program, and I want you to follow me, guys, and as I begin to build this program to see my results. All right, so I'm gonna sit right here while my son is in the barbershop. I'm gonna fold these, and then I'm gonna walk over to my local Walmart over there, and I'm gonna start dropping these off so people can pick them up. It's an ATM machine too right here. So I'm gonna drop one by the ATM machine, guys. And guess what? When somebody pull up, taking out their money, and they look down, they see this $100 bill, they're gonna pick it up. They're gonna open up the back of it, and guess what, guys? It's gonna direct them exactly to the website, and it has a 1-800 number on it that they can call to get more information about this business opportunity. All right, now, if you're ready to get started, if you're looking for a great opportunity that you can start, if you're ready to change your financial situation, guys, check this out. Now, it might not be for everybody. That is cool. But for me, it's a good fit for me and my family for 2023. And I want you to hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me as I build this opportunity. And I'm showing you hands down what I'm going to do on a daily basis. I'm mailing out postcards. I'm doing drop cards. And guys, even if you don't have the budget to mail out postcards, make sure you stay tuned to my next video. I'm going to show you exactly what you can do for free if you're not able to mail out your postcards. All right. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.